Hey, this is John with the Little Blue Skiff. I am actually driving up to Lemon Bluff to see what it looks like, and before I even get here, you can see the St. John's is like right up against the road. This is 4 weeks after Hurricane Milton approaching Lemon Bluff. Ooh, this is the boat ramp area. It's completely gone. That's the old boat ramp, actually. Here I am at Lemon Bluff Park. This is 4 weeks after Hurricane Milton. I'll walk in and show you what the ramp looks like. I mean, this is a nice ramp. It's pretty high normally, and I'll show you some video that I boated by it. But you can tell the ramp docks and everything are underwater. See if I can get next to the St. John's. Oh yeah, this whole area of the St. John's is completely flooded still. Just pan around. And again, I'll show you some video as I boated by here. This whole area is just underwater. This is the bend at Lemon Bluff. See, people's boat docks are underwater still.